Be honest, how many times you sat down to make an ad but ended up googling best ad copy examples? You're not alone. It's frustrating when you have to create fresh ads but don't know where to start. And what if you had a super simple framework that had helped you out to come up with 10 ad creatives without sounding like every other brands out there? So today in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. No copywriter, no creative team, just a simple framework that really works.
So this is the Excel sheet and it has many columns. You can see over here, like first column has real idea, second is emotion or the trigger angle, third is trigger, fourth is insight, then fifth is solution, and next is call to action. So as you can see, this is the docs file and I have written a prompt over here. So we will copy this prompt and paste in ChatGPT. So the prompt here says, give me 3 ad creatives using TISA Framework for a target audience who are facing pain point. Use industry name as the example. Each creative should include hook, insight, solution and CTA in a casual but engaging tone, ideal for meta reels. Use the target audience as factory owners, pain point as high electricity bill, and industry solar EPC installation, and has given 3 ad creatives. So first ad creative is like still relying on old power sources. Now the trigger, or we call it as hook also, is still running your factory on outdated electricity setups. Insight, you are not just paying bills, you are leaking profits month after month. The more power your machines need, the harder it hits your margins. Now it has given a solution. With our solar EPC services, we set up a custom solar plant that cuts your electricity cost by up to 60%, designed, installed and supported by experts. And CTAs, tap learn more to see how much you could save this month. So these are just the 3 ad creatives, and I have prepared a sheet of 10 real ideas. So that also I will share in the description. You can find the PDF with all the prompts and also this Excel sheet. Now we will use this sheet to create different reels for our Meta ads. So even Meta suggested that Instagram and Facebook Reels performs better in ads. This is a step-by-step ad creation plan. So what we will do, we will copy this prompt and paste in ChatGPT. After pasting this prompt in ChatGPT, we have received a wonderful ad script. So this is a 20-second meta ad script which has trigger, insight, solution and action. And now we will turn this script into a voiceover which we will use in our videos. Let's go to Google and search 11 Labs. So this is what 11 Labs looks like, and there are many AI voices which you can use for your video, preferable whatever niche you are targeting, whatever voice you like for your video, you can use it. There are multiple options over here. So here I have chosen Rachel, and I will paste the script line by line and we will generate a AI voice.
Over solar, you're not just paying for fuel, you're paying for noise, pollution, and constant maintenance. Switch to solar once and enjoy 25 plus years of clean, low-cost power with zero hassle. Tap learn more and find out how much you could be saving every month.
Now next step is creating a video. For that we will use Canva. Everyone knows about it. It's a wonderful tool and video creation is really easy for everyone. Even the beginner can try that. So let's get to the next screen and let's create the video. So we are creating reel ad, or you can say video ad. So we will choose a reel format, that is 9:16. Let's start by choosing a right video for the script which we have generated. So first is we will search for industry video, and now we have got an industry video, and this we will add in the first slide. This way, one by one, add the slides, add the script and a video matching to the script. And to faster this process, I have already created a video and added the AI script voice and a music. So let's see what the result is.
diesel generators over solar, you're not just paying for fuel, you're paying for noise, pollution, and constant maintenance. Switch to solar once and enjoy 25 plus years of clean, low-cost power with zero hassle. Tap Learn More and find out how much you could be saving every month.
So this was the TISA framework which I use to create fresh ad creatives ideas every time, and I know you want that too. So you can find the TISA PDF with ChatGPT prompts and a Google Sheet in the description. And if you want me to take a look at your ad, so you can book a one-to-one consultation with the given Calendly link in the description. I'm Sakshi Srivastav, and I'll meet you again in the next Take It Socials video, and follow me on Instagram, LinkedIn and Facebook with the links given in the description. So till the next time, take care, bye bye.